Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video about Rabi-ul-Awwal board decoration ideas. Please recite one time Durood Sharif. Now start a video. The blessed month of Rabi-ul-Awwal is upon us, a time of joy, reflection and expressing our love for the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Schools, offices and homes are preparing to decorate in honor of this special month. In this video, we have gathered a collection of beautiful and heart-touching board decoration ideas to help you create a respectful display for Rabi-ul-Awwal. When decorating for Rabi-ul-Awwal, simplicity and elegance often carry the most impact, as you can see. Boards focusing on elegant Arabic calligraphy of Durood Salam or quotes about the seerah of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, create a very peaceful atmosphere. Using gold, green and white colors often reflect the spiritual essence of the month. Keep your layout clean and ensure the message are the highlight of your design. We hope these designs bring peace to your heart and inspiration to your workspace. If you enjoyed these ideas, please show your support by hitting the like button and sharing this video with those who might find it useful. Also subscribe to our channel and join our community so you don't miss out one more creative content for a special occasion. Now let's look at the final details. Notice the use of floral boards, soft lighting effects and paper cut stars. These small additions add a touch of warmth to your board. Whether you are using glitter, fabric or handmade paper flowers, the goal is to create a welcoming display that honors the beauty of this month. Don't be afraid to add your own personal touch. Sometimes the simplest decoration made with sincerity